Your disaster supply kit can be a lifesaver in an emergency, and it's important to have it ready before disaster strikes. Here's a look at essential supplies you may need. Disaster supply kits should have essential supplies to last at least 72 hours. This includes a 3-day supply of non-perishable food, water for drinking and sanitation. FEMA recommends 1 gallon of water per person per day for at least 3 days. A battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, flashlight and extra batteries, a first aid kit, whistle to signal for help, dust mask to help filter contaminated air, and don't forget about additional items like prescription medications and glasses, infant formula and diapers if you have small children, pet food, and extra water for your pets. It is also important to have family documents like copies of your ID, insurance policies, and bank account records in a waterproof portable container. With these items and more, you and your loved ones can be Tampa ready. To download the full FEMA checklist of emergency supplies, visit tampa.gov/Tampa ready.